Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial, we have seen an example of record data type. How we can use the record data type in our real programming. Okay. So here I'm going to explain you one more example which will make your concept more clearer about table-based record data type. Okay. So before that, I'll just remind you what I have done in last tutorial. I just declared a variable which is of record data type somehow like this, v_emp. This is our variable name, and emp %row type. Emp is the name of the table, %row type. So this is how we used to declare record data type. Okay, then what I'm doing here in last tutorial, what I've done, I just have taken select star into vemp from emp where employee id is 200, and then I printed the value something like this. So what I'm going to do here, instead of star, I'm going to take only one column. So what if I'll take only first name and I'll store this into v_emp. What happens if we will do something like this? Let's run this and get the concept. So I have copied this and pasted in our SQL workshop here and run the program. So as you can see, we got some error. The error is line 5 and all these things, too many values, SQL statement ignored, something happened. It means that our program is not correct. Let's jump to Sublime Text and see the examples again. Here I have done select first name into v_emp from emp where employee id 200. So somehow it's looking fine, but the problem is there. What's the problem? I'll explain you. Actually, we have declared that this is a variable which is of record data type. Okay, and what I'm doing in a record data type, I'm storing one value, and that value I'm taking one column name, and that column name is first_name. So this is the name of the column. So what we have to do to get this value, we have to do that we'll take this row data type v_emp dot the column name first_name. So this is how we can store the data. We can take the value in our variable of any one column. So if we will be taking two columns, we have to give two variables, something like this. So before that, let me run this query in SQL workshop, Control C, and see the examples, see the result actually. Okay, so delete this and paste the new example and run this query. So as you can see, we got the data as Jennifer. We got the name of the employee, first name of the employee. All right, so let's take first name and last name this time. So what we will do, first name comma last name, then into our v_emp dot first name comma v_emp dot last name, and we'll print the same value. So we'll take it some comma separated, and we'll take v_emp dot last name. Okay, now let's copy this, Control C, and paste in our SQL workshop and run this query, Control V, run this example. So as you can see, we got the data Jennifer Valen. So this is how our record data type work with column names. So whatever the column name we are giving here, we have to the value something like this. We have to catch the value, we have to take the value something like this. So hope this example is clear to you. This is, and this will make your concept more clearer about record data type. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.